Benzoyl peroxide products are commonly used to treat mild to moderate acne by reducing acne-causing bacteria and causing the skin to dry and peel. Some brands can also help with a skin condition called rosacea, reducing symptoms like pimples and bumps on the face. It's important to check the ingredients on the label, as the manufacturer may have changed them, and products with similar names may contain different ingredients meant for different purposes. This could potentially harm you if you use the wrong product. Before using Oc8 gel to treat acne for the first time, check if you are allergic to it. If you have an allergic reaction, stop using this product and get medical help right away. If you don't have an allergic reaction, you can use the product. There are many benzoyl peroxide products available. Many can be purchased without a prescription. Some products may require a prescription. Consult your doctor or pharmacist on the choice of the product that is best for you. If you are using the over-the-counter product to self-treat, read and follow all directions on the product package before using this medication. If you have any questions, consult your pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, use it as directed. Some products require shaking before use. Check your product package to see if your form of this medication needs to be shaken. If you are using this medication to treat acne, apply benzoyl peroxide to the areas of your skin affected by acne. If you are using this medication to treat rosacea, apply benzoyl peroxide to your face. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, get medical help right away. If you experience skin reactions such as peeling, itching, irritation, or reddened skin when using Oc8 gel, especially at the beginning of treatment, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. They may recommend using smaller amounts of the gel or using it less often. Remember that your doctor has determined that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the potential risk of side effects. Most people using Oc8 gel do not experience serious side effects. Although rare, a very serious allergic reaction to Oc8 gel can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. As for the best time to use Oc8 gel, follow your doctor's instructions. If you have any concerns about the dosage or timing of application, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider for more details. Before using Oc8 gel, it's important to consider any allergies you may have. This gel may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. Be sure to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using. Additionally, be aware that this medication may make you more sensitive to the sun, so it's important to limit your time outdoors and use sunscreen. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to discuss the risks and benefits of using Oc8 gel with your doctor. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when using Oc8 gel. This could affect how your medications work and increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. One product that may interact with Oc8 gel is dapsone, which is used on the skin. Be sure to discuss any concerns about potential drug interactions with your healthcare provider. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Now let's talk about the uses of Oc8 gel. Oc8 gel is used to control excessive oiliness in the skin, particularly in the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. It helps to mattify the skin and reduce shine, providing a more balanced and matte appearance. The gel should be applied to clean, dry skin as a thin layer, and can be used once or twice daily. It's best to apply Oc8 gel in the morning before applying makeup for optimal results throughout the day. Make sure to use Oc8 gel as directed by your doctor. It is important to keep all regular medical and lab appointments while using this medication. This will help your doctor monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. If you are using Oc8 gel on a regular schedule and happen to miss a dose, simply apply it as soon as you remember. However, if it is close to the time for your next dose, it's best to skip the missed dose and continue with your regular schedule. Avoid doubling the dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Oc8 gel, it's important to keep it at room temperature. Be sure to check the product package for specific instructions on how to store your brand, or ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's crucial to keep all medications away from children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. When it comes to discarding this product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure about how to dispose of it, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper guidance. Remember, it's essential to handle medication disposal carefully to protect the environment and prevent any potential harm. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.